Over $100 million worth of NFTs have been stolen in the last year, according to a new report by blockchain analysts from Elliptic.
What the fuck?
This report released on Wednesday about NFTs and financial crime, covering nefarious crypto activity between July 2021 and July 2022. Elliptic says cyber criminals netted an average of $300,000 per one of these scams. It reports that over $24 million worth of NFTs were stolen just through May of 2022, with July of 2022 being the biggest month on record for the number of NFTs stolen at around 4,600. These unreported thefts, the firm says, are typically lower priced NFTs, but actual members are reporting it to be high, as the thefts are not always publicly reported. The most valuable NFT at the time that was stolen was CryptoPunk number 4324, which netted the thieves almost over $500,000, coming in at $490K back in November of 2021. This collectible and this NFT has been reported on OpenSea as suspicious activity, so it has been flagged, but that still doesn't help the amount of money that's been drained from victims in this market and how scary this thing can be. So always be careful clicking links and connecting your wallets to random websites.
You smart.
$100 million worth of NFT scams is a lot of money to be lost from the ecosystem, but you know it's free. Click in the red subscribe button. Have a good day.